ready?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. How about you, sweetie?
Yeah, you wanna introduce us?
Okay. Hey, everybody! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO, and on the piano, Lyons. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, I just thought we should use Miigwech. Thank you. Today, we just want to say thank you to all of our Patreon supporters and to everyone who supported us on our GoFundMe campaign, and to everybody who bought books by Lyons on Amazon.com this year. You've made it a really awesome year for us, and we really appreciate it. So this song is for you. It's by Elton John, and it's your song. Take it away!
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. hope you don't mind. Oh, hope you don't mind that I put down the word.